I'm a savage. Just that. Oh, you can't even see it. Just that. Splash. Now that you know how my ice be. Hey Dudez, I have a new video for you, and this video, I know I said I was gonna post last week, but listen, Zoom University got kind of stressful, got kind of busy, and the assignments were just piling up, and I needed a week to just kind of focus on school and not do YouTube, so that's what happened. But I promised this unboxing video, and that is what you guys are going to get. I did my best trying to film it, I'm gonna just say that. Tried to get a good enough angle of me unboxing everything and setting up the iPad and everything. But yes, this is an unboxing video of my brand new 2020 iPad Pro 12.9 inch, as long as the Apple Pencil 2. I also got a few accessories like a case, screen protector, and things like that I have also unboxed in the video as well and set up on camera, because that's what an unboxing video is. I have been using the iPad for maybe like a week and a half now, and I already am in love with it. I have tested note apps. I've already gotten like good notes and stuff like that as well. So if you guys want to see like a what's on my iPad video or how I take notes for school video after this unboxing, just leave that in the comments down below, because I will be happy to film it for you guys. But without further ado, we are going to go ahead and get into this unboxing video. Yay, so it is that unboxing time, starting with the Apple Pencil. I just sped this up because I don't think you guys really want to see me open up a bunch of boxes like so slowly, but I got the Apple Pencil 2 and I got it engraved. I tried to show you guys that here, but it like was not focusing well. But yeah, I'm super excited, and only thing that comes in the box is the pencil, so I already knew that because I have watched so many of these unboxing videos. And now it's time for the big bad boy iPad Pro 12.9 inch in space gray, and I also got this iPad engraved. Also, I hate when people take off the wrapper so ugly in videos. Like, I hate when people just rip it off or like don't do it neatly, and that's what I tried to do here. I did not take this iPad out of the plastic until I put on the screen protector, and I knew what came in the box, so I just took out the cord and the cube, and I was trying to show you guys here what the full iPad looked like as well. So this is the case. I got this from Amazon. It's from Zototop, and it comes with like a fold over screen, and also it has a place to hold on the pencil. So I put that on, and this is basically the end of setting this up, and I put on the screen protector off screen, and it honestly took me so long to do. But yeah, I'm just choosing dark mode. I finished setting up the rest of the stuff off camera because it was just taking way too long. And finally, I saw the welcome to iPad screen, and I was excited. I literally had my friend on the phone the entire time that I was unboxing this video because I was that hype about getting this iPad. Here is me trying to figure this thing out, and it was just like not being my friend for a few seconds. Like, I just am trying to practice the gestures with the screen protector on, because the paper-like screen protector makes the screen feel so different, and I'm still getting used to it as we speak. So yeah, I was just looking at the different apps. I opened up a few apps to see how they worked, and then I finally connected the pencil to it, and then it was connected, and I enabled everything that goes along with the pencil, figured out how to do the gestures with the pencil, and that's really it to the iPad. If you want another video more in depth, like I've been saying, I will definitely do a what's on my iPad video for you guys. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing portion, but I just wanted to tell you guys like a few reasons why I ended up getting the iPad. Number one, I've had this iPad mini 2 since like 2012, I think, because this is an iPad mini 2. I don't know if they even sell these anymore unless it's like Amazon. I've had this since like before I even entered high school for sure. I think it's pretty sure it's 2012. I'm not sure. I think it is 2012, but I'm not sure. But I just want to do a little size comparison. Like, this is the iPad mini 2. Obviously, you can still get like the most recent updates on here. So this has the newest iPad OS and everything like that. But it's not the same experience as this iPad Pro. Like, look at the size comparison, first of all. Like, it's like a fourth of the screen, honestly. And like, I tried using this iPad to write notes. I have tried using this iPad to read textbooks, read books, things like that. But it just like, I outgrew this once I left high school. Like, I stopped using this once I got to college, and it just like, this just became like a dead weight Apple product. Like, once in a while I'll remember to use it, or like look at a PowerPoint or look at something like while I'm writing. But like, I can do all that now on here with like split screen and everything like that. Also, I want to show you guys like a few of the things on my iPad that I have been like, oop, it's telling me to update it. Ooh, remind me later. Cancel. Okay, so like I said, I have good notes, and on here like I have practiced writing my notes on here. Like, if you guys want to see a video, like, I figured out how to even like import pictures into your text and everything like that. And on Procreate, bro, I've been going ham in Procreate. Like, I have been using like different things, like making different backgrounds. I've like learned how to use the different brushes. I learned how to do the calligraphy in here. Like, there's so many different things. I even like am learning how to paint, but like in a drawing app. I think it's so cool. This next one, I'm still working on it. This is not the best, honestly, but I'm still working on it. But like, I'm learning how to do like layering and textures. Like, I never thought I would learn so much just from like figuring out how to use apps in here. Also, I have like all of my school apps on here as well. So yeah, I don't really use my iPad for like entertainment, if that makes sense. So like, I don't use my iPad to like watch Netflix, things like that. Really, I strictly bought it for school. I strictly was like, this iPad is going to make me go paperless. I'm trying to save the environment. I want to go paperless. I want to be a student who literally has everything in one place, which is my laptop and now my iPad. And I have also bought in the Magic Keyboard, but mine hasn't come in yet. I think it's actually supposed to come in this week, or next week, early next week. So when that comes, I will do a review on that as well. But I bought the iPad because I'm tired of writing in notebooks. I'm tired of like misplacing documents or misplacing papers when everything can be on one screen. And I love the fact that you can write on top of a PDF, because my science courses, they require like printing PowerPoints and printing like outlines that you follow while class is going on. And especially this semester, I was like, I really wish I had the iPad Pro so I won't have to keep wasting paper printing all this stuff that I can just have on one tablet. So that's the main reason why I got it. And because I have been doing research for years, I was willing to buy the iPad Pro in 2018, and that was honestly my plan, like to go into college with it, but I didn't have it in the funds to get it at the time. So I definitely did spend all of my own money on this. Like, this isn't like YouTube money, this isn't like any money from my parents. I personally buy all of my products, all of my expenses, all of my Apple stuff. I have paid for it, like full payment in my own money, because I have saved up for them and I've worked for them, and this is what I decided to spend my money on. If any other questions I did not answer in this video, please let me know, because I would love to answer them for you guys. I am obsessed with this thing. Honestly, I don't even use it as much as I should be using it, because this semester is ending. So I don't feel like there's really a like, I have only finals left. Like, there's no more notes I really have to take. I just like, I'm reviewing everything from the entire semester. So yeah, I am obsessed with my iPad. I am enjoying it so much. If you guys want any other videos with this bad boy, like how I use it for school, like I said, or review when I get my keyboard, please let me know, because I've been using this, I've been learning it, I've been figuring out which apps work with multitasking, which apps do not. Like Gmail apparently does not work with multitasking, but all of the other apps usually do. But this is it. I'm super excited. I have saved so much for this and it's finally here and I'm enjoying it so much. Alright, so guys, that is everything on my iPad, and like I said, I love it. I'm obsessed with it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed. If you're not already, subscribe down below, because we are literally so close to 1K subscribers, and it would mean the world to me just to reach 1K, me know like there's 1,000 people who care about what I'm saying and are interested in watching me. So please subscribe down below. Also, comment down below because I will be responding. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys all so very much. Peace, dudes.